I know I'm holding on, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Let me repeat it.
They have got a fit.
Blair, up he steps, drives it lower to the wall, or round the wall, into the back of the net. That is like playing Subbuteo table football almost, isn't it? Absolute genius from Leo Messi.
Oh, Rissa can hit them, and Rissa has hit them. That's exactly what they need.
Holding on, holding on. I know I'm holding on.
Los más interesantes que hemos visto en la primera parte.
Esta foca con confianza, se la juega desde ahí. ¡Golazo! ¡Gol, gol, 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 gol! Gol con dedicatoria. Se levantaba la camiseta Paul Pogba. Iba.
Doubting the goalkeeper can actually see anything here. Messi drives it through the wall, and the goalkeeper only sees it and it flashes past his eyes. For those players, that would be something magical. For Lionel Messi, it was just pretty routine.
Feel the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it.
It's a massively populated wall. Messi gets it in. Leo Messi putting Barcelona 1-0 up. The Camp Nou erupts.
I know I'm holding on to this, holding on, holding on, holding on, holding on, holding on, holding on. Just keep the faith, and we won't fade into darkness. Fade into darkness. No, we won't fade into darkness. Fade into darkness.
Oh, that's super. He just tickled it in. He's done his homework. He knew the direct ball was jump as a man.
As far as Messi, the visibility isn't that bad, but he's still tracking it down. Messi over the ball. Oh, well, that is the genius of Leo Messi, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is that 4-2 to Barca. And listen to the players celebrate there. The genius.
No, thanks for having me.
Africa